Alright, so this is the carbon cycle. So first it starts with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that then transfers to plants such as this tree and uses the sun through photosynthesis. Then with the carbon stored inside plants such as these, animals will then eat plants such as these, and then that's how the carbon gets transferred to the animals and organisms such as the sheep here. Then from the sheep, there are two ways that the carbon can cycle through again. First is through respiration back into the atmosphere and also into the soil from the decay when the animals die. Then once the carbon's in the soil, it can return to bushes and plants back on the surface, which will go back to the cycle. Carbon can also be found here in the ocean through abiotic factors such as limestone or shells. For specific carbon findings in different areas, carbon is recognized as CO2 in the atmosphere. It's recognized as C6H12O6 in animals and plants, and then in the soil, it's recognized as CaCO3. To get deeper with what goes on with the carbon in plants, animals, the atmosphere, and soil, we need to recognize and know what goes on in photosynthesis and respiration. So in photosynthesis, it's when 6CO2 and 6H2O reacts with sunlight to make C6H12O6 and 6O2. And then in respiration, it's when 6O2 and that C6H12O6 reacts to produce C6CO2 and 6H2O.